In this video, we are going to take you to the dashboard after the nation would have won the battle with COVID-19. Or you can say that this is our milestone dashboard, where we can see that in entire nation there wouldn't have been any new case for the last 7 days, which makes our daily new cases bar chart empty, and the national level total have brought down to zero. This could be made possible only when all the districts as well as non-districts entries of all the states would satisfy the condition of being present in clean zone. That is, no new case for continuous 21 days with no active cases left. Here you can see that date part is replaced with 7 hashtag marks, as we cannot say when it's going to happen. So now let's move on to the state level part. So here let's start with the Andhra Pradesh. Here you can see on reaching zero confirmed cases, this area, this area, and this area would become inactive. All the districts are in clean zone, whereas non-district entries such as other state and foreign evacuees are not present here. But as their confirmed cases are being continuously added to state totals as well as national totals, so they will also have to satisfy the condition of clean zone in order to bring down the state as well as national totals to zero. Confirmed cases are zero, and as you can see, the state curve for the last 21 days is a complete flat curve, so the zone is white, total score is 20, and state score is 100, which is our main goal. So now select the district of Andhra Pradesh, which is Anantapur. We have selected. You can see confirmed cases of Anantapur is 0. That's because it has entered in green zone. Its district and is for the last 21 days is a complete track curve. Current zone is white, so its district score would be equal to 100. So, and you can see the score of all the border districts of Anantapur is also 100. So its district border adjusted score is also 100. As we know, range of every zone in this TBAS zone speedometer depends upon the number of districts presently in that zone. So, as our milestone is to bring every district in white zone, so on achieving the milestone, the DBAS zone, final DBAS zone speedometer would look like this. So, this was the case for Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, the dashboards, the target dashboards of other states, other Indian states are as follows: Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Andhra Pradesh once again, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, MP East, MP West, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttarakhand, UP East, UP West, and finally West Bengal. So this was our video on uh, the milestone dashboard. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it's helpful for you. Stay safe and let's make the country corona free.